Today I'm going to show you how to register for one of our auctions. So this is the home page. You can scroll down to a certain auction that you want to register for, or there's always an option to do it up here as well. Log in and register at the top right of your page. But we're going to do it to this auction. It's going to open up. And then if you scroll down, it's all your bidding details, descriptions, terms and conditions, watch the video, etc. Enter the auction is right there. Here's where you're going to log in. So click the login button. And we're creating a new account today, so you would register down here because you don't have a username and password yet. So register. And here's where we're going to put in, we're going to say we're a test user. So that's just a username that you want to use as a login. It doesn't have to be your name. So here's where we put in password, and it's going to show you if it's good. So it's going to light up here in green. And then we're going to put in David's name. This is where you'd enter your name and an email address. Okay. All the asterisks in red are the things that you have to fill in that are required to register for one of our auctions. And if you would like to receive text message notifications, that's where you would put this in. You would do the drop-down menu and select your phone number. If you don't want text messages or text notifications, you just leave it the way it is. Then you fill in your address. So once you type in your zip code, it'll auto-populate the city-state for you. And then you click next step. Here on our computer anyway, it will ask you to save your password. You're more than welcome to do that. It's just a fast step to get into the process a lot faster. And here's where your terms and conditions are. Now you have to agree to the terms and conditions by selecting this checkbox here in order for you to go on to the next step. So then you click submit, and then it says you have completed your registration. Now you want to log in to start bidding. And that's where you're going to put in your username that you just created and the password. And click the login button. And now you are registered to bid on the auction. So when you are logged in, you will look at the top right and you'll see a log out button. That shows you that you are logged in and ready to bid on the auction. That is all.